that community, and when you are having issues with ads, as we all do,
Yeah.
it's being able to have that community and jump in and have a trusted source so that you can ask, because there are so many free groups out there where you can ask a question and you'll just get somebody's third-hand information that they heard that someone said once as to like, this is what to do.
Yeah.
And if you actually go, oh great, that's great, have you actually done that? No, I haven't.
Yeah.
Awesome. So having that community where you're there and you're in charge, and well, not in charge, I don't mean to be supporting everybody, and giving your expertise and experience back when people are asking questions is so valuable.
Yeah.
But then it's also that community of people who support each other as well.
Yeah.
And that says a lot about, you know, the culture when people are jumping in and they're answering each other's questions, and they have that support in that environment where everyone's going through like the same training and the same information, so that you're all on the same page. And then, you know, with your program, it's like, I love the way that it's a very straightforward checklists. This is how you do it step by step, because I know like in the early days, I was following someone along for a while in their monthly membership and stuff, and there was no opportunity for, there was a one day, you know, here's the thread, ask your questions and it'll be answered on a Q&A. So there was no interaction with each other in the community. There was no chance for you to ask questions. And then also the training that they did was like very kind of, I don't know, I kind of think evergreen. Like they would just waffle on and they would talk about this and talk about that. And while there were gold nuggets in it, it lacked a lot of the substance of like, this is actually how you connect all the dots and step. And so then when I sort of moved on and I discovered that kind of thing, and that's what's in your training, it's like, here's the step and the step and the step and the step. And it's like, that is what you need. Like, sure, you may be able to get that on YouTube if you want to go and spend hours looking around and you don't know who this person is and validate them. When you put the skin in the game and you actually invest into a course or a program like this, it gets you, it puts a fire, you know, under your butt to actually get in, get involved, get the most out of it, draw from that knowledge and expertise of the person, and get results, so that, you know, like for yours, get out there, recoup your money, become an ad manager, and then me and the community are continuing to be here to support you and do that.